Good evening, students. Today I will take your topic, that is MAT, MAT for Mental Ability Test. Mental Ability Test. Last 3-4 videos I have taken maths in which I covered the chapter Your Number System. I have taken some questions which comes in your last previous year NTSC exams, and also I have taken some basic tricks about this how to solve the number system. So today I am going to take your MAT, mental ability test, in which I am going to take the topic. Today's topic is mathematical operation. Mathematical operation. We are going to study this mathematical operation. So mathematical operation means what? Which are the mathematical operation which we do the operation on the numbers, that is plus, minus, division, subtract, equal to, less than, greater than, multiplication. These are all the mathematical operation which we have to apply on the given sums. And in this, while applying this sign or while doing this operation, we must have to be aware of this rule, that is BODMAS. BODMAS all of you must know, because we have studied this from your since 5th standard. Whenever we have to solve the given sum, we have to first look after for the bracket, then bracket of, then we have to follow the division, then multiplication, then addition, and then subtraction. So while mathematical operation, we should have to follow this BODMAS rule. Then we will get our answer exactly the same what is the option is given in your choices. So let us start with the questions. I will take some 6 or 7 sums which asked in the last year, previous year's exams in NTSC. So let us take how to do this one. Okay. So first sum, your first sum you can see now you can easily see in your screen, that is, if division means plus, minus means division, multiplication means minus, and plus means multiplication, then what is the result of this? So let us solve. Very simple. 32 multiply means minus 8, close the bracket, minus means division, 8 minus 2, 4, plus means, so student, plus means multiplication, multiplication means minus, and this is plus 9, plus means multiplication 9, and division means plus 1. So let's solve this one. Now again we will apply the BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule is what? First of all you have to solve the bracket. 32 minus 8 is 24. Here it will be the 24 divided by 8 minus 2. In a denominator what we will do? Multiplication, because BOD M is the M, then 18 fours are 72 minus 8 nines are 72 plus 1. Okay. Now while doing this process, division is first. So 24 divided by 8 is 3 minus 2. 72 minus 72 0, and here it is 1. 3 minus 2 1. So your answer is 1. So what is the result of this one? Is equal to 1. I hope you understand this sum. Very easy. Now come to the second sum. Okay. Now you can see the second sum on your screen. A means plus. A means plus. A means plus. B means minus. C means multiplied, and D means divide. A for plus, minus, multiply, divide. A, B, C, D. So we have to solve this one. Sum is 16C, 12B, 6D, 2A, 12 is equal to what? Now 16C, C means multiplication, B means minus, 16C, B means minus, 6, D means divided, 2, A means addition, this is 12. Again we will follow the BODMAS rule, this is the division, so we will do this one. 16 multiplied by 12, when minus 6 divided by 2 is minus 3, plus 12. After that do the multiplication, 16 into 12, 12 6 are 72, carry 7, 12 1 are 12, 12 plus 7 192, minus 3 plus 12. Now 192 plus 12 is 204. 204 minus 3, which is equal to, I am doing addition first, then subtraction. So 192 plus 12 is 204 minus 1. So I am getting the result 201. So this is my correct option, and option D is your right answer. So in these types of sums you can do very easily and you can score very good marks. Nothing else we have to do. Be attentive what they have given in your the options, and you have to substitute or replace the given operations properly, carefully. Then you will not do any mistake in these sums. Let us go to the question number 3rd. Now question number 3rd. Find out the sign to be interchanged for making the question correct. 10 plus 10 divided by 10 minus 10 into 10 is equal to 10. Now we have to see how to replace this sign given. Plus is replaced by the minus. First we will do this, plus is replaced by minus. In the second case, plus replaced by multiplication. In the third case, multiplication division is replaced by the multiplication, and plus is replaced by the division. So while doing this replacement, in which case I will get my result perfect, that is a 10 answer. So let's solve. Number 1, plus we will take the first one. First let us write the question. 10 plus 10 divided by 10 minus 10 multiply by 10. I should have to get the result 10. Let's see which case is right. So 10 plus is replaced by minus. Other operations will remain the same, and 10 minus will replace by the plus multiplication is as it is. So 10 minus 10 divided by 10 is 1 plus 10 into 10. You can see that 10 minus 1 plus 100, which is equal to 100 plus 9, which is equal to 109, which is totally wrong because our option is 10, so this option is cancelled. First is not our choice. Now come to the second one. Plus is replaced by the multiplication. Let's see second case. Plus is replaced by the multiplication and multiplication is replaced by plus. 10 into 10 divided by 10 minus 10 and multiplication is replaced by plus 10. Chalo, 10 divided by 10 is 1 minus 10 plus 10. 10 ones are 10 minus 10 plus 10. You can see the operation 10 plus 10 20 minus 10, or you can easily see that 10 minus 10 0 and result is 10. So this is the correct option. I need 10 only and I am getting here 10. So you can see that our second option is right. Also you can check for division and multiplication your own, and you can see that if you are getting the answer wrong, it means only the second option is correct. So come to the third question. 1 2 3 fourth question. Actually I have taken this video once. मैंने बनाई. ओके ठीक है. See here. In each of the following question, different alphabets stand for various symbols as indicated below. Addition represent O, multiplication represent A, equal to represent X, less than Z, subtraction M, division Q greater than. So let us substitute and let us see which option is here right. So first, multiplication, this is X, so X is equal to 8. Q means division. 2. A means, where is your A? A means multiplication. 3. Q means division. 1. A for again multiplication. 2. Let us check. 32 is equal to 2 4s are 8. 4 into 3 divided by 1 is 3 only, into 2. So what you are getting? 32. 4 3s are 12. 12 2s are 24, which is not equal to. Therefore this option is not our proper answer. Come to the second one. Second, 10 multiplication X means equal to 2, A for multiplication, 3, A for again multiplication, 2, M for subtraction, 2, Q for division, and 1. Let's solve this one. 10, 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, minus 2 divided by 1 is 2 only, and you will get here 10 is equal to 12 minus 2. 10 is equal to 10. So you can see this option gives us the right choice. So our second option is right, and second, third and fourth option you can try yourself and just check it and give me the comment whether you are getting this wrong or right. Okay, so my second option is right. Come to the third question, fifth question. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay. So this question is which color? Let's take this color. If plus means minus, plus is multiplication, minus is plus, multiplication is division, division is minus, then what is the value of the given equation? So your equation is 21 divided by 8 plus 2 minus 12 multiplied by 3. So 21. Division means what? Multiplication is division, division means minus. 21 minus 8 plus means multiplication, minus is plus 12 and multiplication is division 3. So come to the BODMAS rule. इसका आ जाएगा 4, 3 4 are 12 division, 8 2 are 16, 16 plus 4 and this is 21 minus. So 21 minus, how much you will get? 21 minus 16 is 5. 5 plus 4, you are getting your answer is 9. So your second option is right. ठीक है? Very easy sums. So you can do the practice. Come to the next question. Now see this question. If multiplication stand for addition, less than stand for subtraction, plus stand for division, greater than stand for multiplication, minus stand for equal to, division stand for greater than and equal to stand for less than, then state which of the following is true. Let us solve one by one. 3 multiplication. Multiplication stands for addition. 3 plus less than, see the less than stand for this is x stand for multiplication, stand for addition and less than stand for subtraction. So these two signs are together. And 4 division is division, be careful students while writing this, equal to division for greater than, division for greater than 16 and greater than, division for greater than for multiplication 2 and plus stands for division, that is equal to 4. Okay, let's solve. So first you have to know this configuration, plus minus, always minus, is greater than 16. 2 divided by this is 16 into 2 divided by 4 is 1 by 2. 2 8s are 16. So you are getting minus 1 is greater than 8, which is absolutely wrong because minus 1 cannot be greater than the 8. Negative number cannot be greater than the positive number. So your first option get cancelled. Now come to the second option. Let's solve for the second one. 5 is greater than means what? Greater than for multiplication. 5 multiplied by 2 plus stands for plus, where is your plus? Stand for division. Equal to stands for, where is your equal to? Equal to stands for less than. 10 less than is stand for less than stands for subtraction 4 and multiplication stands for addition. Multiplication stands for addition plus 2. Okay, let's start. Again the division first. Here we will follow this operation first. 5 into 1 less than 10 divided by 4 is what? Less than is for, let me check it again, less than for subtraction hai. See, 10 is less than 4, less than for subtraction, so it is subtraction, students. 6 plus 2, that is 5 is less than 8, so this option is correct. So your second option is right. Let us take one more example so that we will get confirmation about this option. Third one. 3. Multiplication stands for addition. 4. Greater than, where is your greater than? Greater than where is your greater than again? Greater than for multiplication. 2. Subtraction less than for subtraction plus for division greater than, and minus stands for equal to. It is equal to 9. Division for plus stand for division, and division stand for greater than. Very carefully students you have to write it. 3 and less than stand for subtraction sorry 3. चलो सॉल्व करते हैं फिर ये भी. So 3 plus 8 is equal to 9 is greater than 3. 8 plus 3 11 is equal to 9, which is again wrong. So your third option also gone. Let us come to the last. Let us check one more option. Fourth one. 5 is multiplied by 3. 3 is less than 7. 7 divided by 8. 8 plus 4. 4 divided by 1. 1. Okay. Now let us start and let us take our configuration. क्या क्या है? 5. Multiplication stand for addition plus greater than minus. Where is multiplication, students? Multiplication stand for addition. Where is, sorry. Less than stand for subtraction. Division stand for greater than. Addition stand for division, and division stand for, where is division? Division stand for greater than 1. See how carefully we have to do. कितना देख के करना पड़ता है, नहीं तो ज़रा भी यहाँ पे मिस्टेक हो जाएगी तो प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा. तो 5 plus 3 8 minus 7 is greater than 8 divided by 4 is 2 is greater than 1. 8 minus 7 1 is greater than 2 2 is greater than 1 is greater than. So this option is also seems to be wrong. maybe I have done something sign configuration wrong, but you can see that one option is correct, so our option is final. We are just trying, हम तो देख ही रहे थे कि कौन सा ऑप्शन राइट हो सकता है, तो दूसरा ऑप्शन राइट है. तो दिस इज ओनली फॉर द प्रैक्टिस कि आपको आगे का प्रैक्टिस कैसे करना है. लेट अस कम टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, हाँ, again the same headache. Question number 3 multiply by less than 4 divided by 16 greater than 2 plus 4. Let us check. 3 multiplication stand for addition, less than stand for subtraction. 4 division stand for greater than 16, and greater than stands for, where is your greater than? Greater for multiplication 2, and plus stand for division 4. So again here two signs are, so we can make it like this. 16, 2 divided by 4 is 1 upon 2. 3 minus 4, 8. So minus 1 is greater than 8, which is absolutely wrong. ठीक है, this is wrong option. Come to the second one. 5 is greater than 5 is greater than means multiplication. 5 is greater than 2, and plus stands for division 2. Equal to stand for equal to stand for less than, this is less than 10. Less than stand for, where is your less than stand for subtraction 4, and multiplication stand for addition 2. Chalo, let's start. 5 multiply by 1 less than 6 plus 2, that is 5 is less than 8. So this is true. Correct option is true. Students, I have taken this sum. I think this is repeating. Okay, sorry. This sum is repeating. Come to this one. In the correctly worked out multiplication problem at the B given below, which letter represent a different digit? What is the value of B? So what they have given you? A, B multiply B, B, A into, ठीक है. Now you can see that if A, B, they have given you here 3. See, 3 is hint for you, A, B. So you can see that if I will put A as 1, A equal to 1, then what you will get? 1, 1, and in place of again 1, and it is 2. So multiply itself. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, cross 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1. See, in every place you can see that in place of A you are writing A. So this is A, and you are getting the result 2, 3, 1. So here A is 1, B is 2. So you will get the result. What is the value of A and B? What is the value of B? The value of B is 2. So very simple configuration, only you have to put the, you have to just analyze yourself. ये आपको ही सोचना पड़ेगा कि क्या वैल्यू पुट हो सकती है. तो अभी यहाँ पे अंदाजे से हम लोगों ने 1 1 लगा दी, तो सिंपल था इसलिए हो गया. Now come to the next question. The last question. Now this one is also done. So your all questions are over. Okay students, so try for these 8 or 7 sums and give me the response how you find these lectures. If it is useful, comment it. I will provide you more lectures. Thanks. Take care. Bye. Good night.